Welcome back, guys. This is our part 5, sounds of heart. Okay. The first sound in a heart created is a lub, L-U-B-B. Second is a D-U-P, dub, lub, dub. Okay. Now what is the lub sound, L-U-B-B? The first heart sound created by closure of AV valve, atrioventricular valve, at the beginning of ventricular systole. Okay. Its duration is 0.15 second and frequency is 25 to 45 hertz. Okay. What is the duration? 0.15 second and frequency 25 to 45 hertz. Okay, this is the first heart sound, L-U-B-B, lub. Next is a D-U-P, dub. It is the second heart sound created at the end of ventricular contraction, means systole, due to closure of semilunar valve. Its duration and frequency. Duration is 0.12 second and frequency is 50 hertz. Duration 0.12 second and frequency 50 hertz. Okay. What is the murmurs? Murmurs. What is the murmurs? Okay. It is the abnormal sound created due to leakage of valve in heart. It is the what? Abnormal sound created due to leakage of valve. That is the murmurs. So what is the murmurs? Abnormal sound created due to leakage of valve. That is the murmurs. Now, rate of heartbeat. Okay. Larger the animal, slower its heartbeat. We know that. Now, elephant is larger, so heartbeat is so small, 25 per minute. Our man, 72 per minute. Okay. So this is the two sound created in the heart, L-U-B-B, lub and dub. What is the lub? First heart sound created by closure of atrioventricular valve at the beginning of ventricular systole. Duration 0.15 second, frequency 25 to 45 hertz. Okay, next is a D-U-P, dub. Second heart sound created at the end of ventricular contraction, means systole, due to closure of semilunar valve. Duration 0.12 second, frequency 50 hertz. Third point is what is the murmur? M-U-R-S, murmurs, abnormal sound created due to leakage of valve in the heart. That is the murmurs. What is the rate of heartbeat? Larger the animals, lower its heartbeats. We know that. Elephant 25 per minute, 25 heartbeat per minute, and man, it means our men 72. We know that 70 or 72 per minute. Okay. In the next video, we show you next part of heart in part 6. Okay. Thank you so much.